Hi, I'm Shayna and welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, please like and subscribe, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I really appreciate it and welcome back. As you've seen from the title, today I'm going to be doing my weekly Gwynnie Bee unboxing and try-on video. I'm very excited. I have two lovely dresses that I've rented this week. For those of you that don't know, Gwynnie Bee is a clothing rental service offering sizes 0 to 32, so it's great and size inclusive. And you can go online on their virtual closet and fill out your sizes in some popular brands, and then you can go through their virtual closet and they'll suggest to you what size you need based on your input sizes and also on other feedback from other people that have tried the items. Like they will say if it runs large or small. And you can also read the description of the items, see the picture of the items obviously, and then you can see other members' reviews and their photos, so you can look out for any trouble issues where you may choose to override the suggested size and size up or down for a more custom fit. So this week they selected two items that I had added to my virtual closet, two dresses. So here's what the box looks like that it comes in. And it's a nice little bundle there. And like I said, I know what's in here because they send you an email telling you what they've shipped you. So this first dress is from the brand eShakti, and it's a nice faux wrap style with a stretchy material on the top, and actually a pretty stretchy but a little bit softer material with this nice floral print on the bottom here, and that's in a size 18W. And then the second dress is from the brand Hutch, also in a size 18W, and I'm excited to try this. I thought this looked very elegant. So it's got a subtle gold sparkly stripe on it. I don't know if you can quite see it. And it's almost like it's got a lining. It feels sort of like a light sweater material. And then it has a little ruffle at the bottom. You'll see better in the try-on portion. And I saw some other ladies who had worn that dress and looked really great, so hopefully it looks great on me. If you're interested in trying Gwynnie Bee for yourself, please check out the link in the description box below and you can get your first month free. That's how I started with Gwynnie Bee, and after that I was hooked and I kept subscribing for the following months. But after your first month, if you find it's not for you, you can easily cancel on your way. If you do try it, I'd love to hear your experiences, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Here is the eShakti faux wrap dress. It had a nice, even though it's faux wrap, the tie here does go all the way around on both sides, and then I just chose to tie it right here on the side. I'm very excited to report it has pockets. Yes. It's very, very comfortable. I think the fit is perfect. It does have a nice amount of stretch, but I think it just fits very nicely. I usually have good luck with 18s in the eShakti brand. It has a little snap button, although I feel like the button's pretty high up. So I could choose to button it, but I actually don't mind how it just lays naturally. It's not too low. The sleeves are really nice and stretchy. I am very impressed with this dress. It's a great length, hitting me right at the knee. I'm about 5'5.5" for reference. Here's the dress from Hutch. It's definitely, I think, sort of a transition or cool weather dress. It feels quite heavy on me. I live in a warm area most of the time. It's usually pretty hot here, so I kind of tried to prioritize these more wintry dresses because if I don't have a cool day soon, I'm not going to have any. So it has long sleeves. The sleeves are rather tight, like when I try to pull them up, it's resisting, and I have actually pretty small arms, I think, in comparison to the rest of my body, so just be aware of that. I really like the shape here. I think it's flattering. It's a great fit and flare with the high waist under the bust that kind of cinches everything in, gives you a nice defined waist, and then these little peplum kind of ruffles are very cute. The neckline's pretty high, which I don't usually go for, but I just, again, thought this looked so cute on some of the other ladies on Gwynnie Bee that I wanted to try it before it gets super hot. The material does have good stretch. I was able to just pull it on. I think it's very cute. Now I can wear and return those dresses, or if I want to purchase them, let's see, I can go on the Gwynnie Bee app, and the Hutch gold striped dress, I could purchase it currently for $35.50. And the eShakti dress, I could currently purchase it for $33.50. And just to give you a sense of how good of a deal that is, the Hutch dress, the retail price was $250. And the eShakti retail price was $79.95. So over, like way over 50% on both of them. A huge discount on the Hutch dress, so we'll see. I don't think I'll purchase it, but I will certainly enjoy wearing it. And again, if you haven't tried Gwynnie Bee, I highly recommend you check it out for yourself. Link in the description box below. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll be posting lots more plus size fashion videos, and definitely check out the videos I've already posted as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much. I really appreciate you being here, and I look forward to your comments. I hope you have a wonderful day.